Hello everyone, so I wanted to come and do a proper intro. So I struggle with moisture when it comes to my 4C hair. I tried every different product that you can really think of. Shea, Meech, Carol's Daughter, everything. Just go to Walmart to the ethnic side. I tried most of those products and nothing worked for me. So I did I wouldn't say a tutorial, but I kind of showed you guys what I'm doing now to achieve curls and moisture. And I still have some work to do as far as like learning how to kind of rake through the hair to make sure I get all the curls popping. But I am absolutely pleased with the results that I got. And I want to say the main thing to do is learn your hair type. Now in this video, for the sake of this video, I didn't stay in the shower and do the full process, but you would stay in the shower and complete the full process. You're gonna condition your hair, wash your hair, condition your hair, put the gel in, then go in with the styling cream. I think I put the styling cream first, but honestly, you wanna put the gel first. So make sure you do it in the shower if you have low porosity. That just means your hair is kind of hard to kind of soak in that moisture and that water. It kind of repels it. So you want to stay in the shower so your hair stays soaking wet. You want your hair to stay soaking wet so it can penetrate through your hair follicles and it can really moisturize the hair. So when you get finished, if you use the products that I use, especially that Uncle Funky's gel, your hair is going to feel a little hard, but over like a day or so, it's gonna get loose, it's gonna get soft, it's gonna look amazing. One thing also to remember is when you have hair like mine, don't be expecting your hair to be all shining like these other girls, okay? It don't look like that. I'm sorry. I struggled for many years trying to get my hair to look like that, spraying all type of shine and oil. Look, if your hair is moisturized, that's what you want it to be. It's not gonna look like those other hair types. Just make sure you don't get caught up with looking at people with type 3 hair, that really curly defined hair. It looks all juicy and moisturized. That's not your hair type, baby. I'm not being mean. I had to learn that. It's not your hair type. So just make sure that you focus on your hair and your journey. So without further ado, Lord, y'all, I can't talk today. So without further ado, I'm gonna play the video for you guys. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, New Black Unicorn. So today I'm going to talk about hair. So I've been loose natural for almost 1 year now, and what I mean by that is I used to have locks, so my hair was natural, wasn't permed or anything, and so when I cut my locks, now it's considered loose natural. So my journey has been difficult. And it's been difficult because I haven't really known how to do my hair, what to use on my hair. And from my thumbnail, you can see that I use several products and my hair still look very dry, kind of like cotton. And I'm not being funny when I say this. It really looked really bad and really dry. I tried oils, I tried hydrating mist, I tried everything that you can think of, hair mask, all the above. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you what I've been using that has helped my hair. I have to do my hair and I wanted to wait until I can actually do it on camera. So I went and I had an appointment, like a one-on-one appointment, where I had somebody teach me how to do my hair and what products are good for my hair. So when I first cut my hair, the stylist told me I have 4C hair. Okay, what does that mean? Does that mean I need to do something extra? What do I need to do? So no information came after that. So really what she was saying is I have thick hair. I know that. Even with locks, I knew I had thick hair. So that wasn't quite helpful for me. So when I went to this appointment, the lady really told me about my hair. Like I have low porosity, which means my hair kind of repels water. It's very hard to hydrate my hair. So I have to make sure I'm using water soluble products. And also my hair is coarse, is thick. So I have to really work through my hair to make sure I'm getting the product in, and then I have to set it, and that means I have to sit under a blow dryer. I hate sitting under a blow dryer, but it's what I need. So the first product I'm going to use is by Innersense. You can't see it because of the light. I'm going to post a picture. Innersense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. So this is the shampoo that I'm going to be using. After the shampoo, I'm going to be using their Hydrating Cream Conditioner, and I'll post it in there since you can't see because of the light. It's nighttime. The last thing I'm going to use is the I Create Volume. This is to help with the curls. And then for the gel, I'm going to be using Curly Magic, and it's by Uncle Funky's daughter. When she first told me the name, I was like, is this a real product? She was like, yes, and it's black owned. So I was happy to hear that. I'm always supporting black owned businesses, small businesses, up and coming. I support, let me know. I'll buy something even if I don't need it. That's probably the issue right there, okay? So I'm gonna go and wash my hair, and I'm gonna come back and show you what my hair looks like hydrated. Okay, so I have the shampoo on my head, and if you can tell, you can see my curls definitely popping, okay? Now you want to make sure when you're washing your hair, let me come down some. Come down a little chair. Boop, boop. Right? So when you're washing your hair, you want to make sure you hit the roots and you're raking your hair through. Now another thing that you can use if you have a lot of hair, or even if you don't have a lot of hair, this is called a matte soft, and you see it has little grooves. It looks like spikes, but it's really soft, and you can literally like wash the scalp. You have to make sure that you are cleaning your scalp. So I'm just going through, cleaning. Look, you see me in the back. So I'm just making sure that my scalp is clean. Once I do that, I'm gonna kind of start detangling even with the shampoo. So this is me kind of pulling my hair in an upward motion, raking it through, making sure every inch of my hair is like covered in the shampoo. Because what I found out is shampoo is like where you get the most hydration from for your hair. It starts with your shampoo. So if you have a very stripping shampoo, you are setting your hair up for failure. Now, if you do have 4C hair, low porosity, which means your hair kind of, it takes a while for it to kind of like soak in the moisture in the water, it kind of repels. You want to make sure that you have a hydrating shampoo. Hydrating shampoo, okay? And I'm just raking it through. Like literally, I can feel my scalp and it literally feels light. That's when you know like it's some good stuff. So I'm just raking it through. Now, if you're shampooing your hair and it still feels like there's product on there, you may want to do a deep cleanser, then do a regular shampoo. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this off, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what my hair looks like with the conditioner. All right, so I just washed the shampoo out of my hair, and as you can tell, it is still curly. It feels really good. It doesn't feel like it's stripped or dry or anything. So the next thing, while my hair is still soaking wet, I'm gonna add the conditioner. It's the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. So I'm just gonna pump a little bit on my hand. And this is new, so that's why. Okay. So I have about this much conditioner on my hand. So I have about this much conditioner on my hand. Sorry, it's like water all in my eyes. And I'm just gonna first initially kind of put it on, and I can tell that I need some more. So I'm gonna add a little bit more conditioner. And during this part, we're making sure that every inch of our hair has conditioner on it. Luckily, I don't have a lot of inches, so that helps. Every inch has conditioner. Breaking it through. Now, while you have your conditioner on, this is when you want to get your comb and comb through your hair. I know some people do it after they rinse the conditioner out, but while this conditioner is in, that would be a good time to really comb through. And as you can tell, I'm doing the same motion as with my shampoo, and I'm raking it through. And I may add just a little bit more. just to make sure. Now, if you look, this part of my hair is really soft. I have like a patch right here that's not 4C, and that's just because a few years ago I let someone bleach my hair, and she didn't know what she was doing, and she pretty much chemically burned my hair. So I literally have a patch that is like super kind of thinned out a little bit and very smooth and soft. But the rest of my hair, it ain't like that at all. So now I'm going to go get my comb, and I'm going to comb through my hair. So I'm going to comb through my hair with a big comb first. It's always easier to get through the front. Combing through, making sure it's not tangled. Getting all the dead hair out as well. Ooh. 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 So if you get to a part that's kind of thick and you're tender-headed, kind of grab it at the end, comb the ends through, and then slowly make your way to the roots. Don't start at the roots and then try to yank your hair, because you will kind of break your hair, and that's definitely not going to be helpful. All right, so I have a bonnet dryer. It looks like this. I got it from Walmart, and I want to say it was like $30. I really like it because it's portable. This is how big it is. Nice size. And so literally, we're just gonna open this bad boy up. I always try to open it from the wrong way. Once you open it up, you see the holes, and it has the bonnet over here. Out with my head still soaking wet, so you don't see me come back water pouring all over my face. I'm gonna add in the I Create Volume. Then next, I'm gonna put in the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. Okay, so as soon as I come back, those two, and that's it, y'all. You can let it air dry, or you can sit under the dryer.